there is something that you can experience which all of his thinking points to, which gets you to a place inside yourself in which you are free from, you feel free from your judgments or your opinions or your thoughts. And that's radical. You know that experience in which you are not your thoughts. You have your thoughts, you have your feelings, you have your needs in NVC, but there is something there with you that you feel that they are not you. And that's where I think NVC takes you.
Yes, and I like the distinction, which I often make, which is I'm not trying not to have thoughts, but actually the thoughts die away when I'm practicing. So there's a very subtle and very important difference for me there. Because I often meet people trying not to have judgmental thoughts and thinking that's what NVC is about, rather than what you're pointing to is those things start to fall away when even if I mechanically do it, but I keep building that muscle to connect me to my needs.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. There is a sense in which I am feeling this, and this is not me. And when I have that sense, there's incredible freedom there. Because I can see, I see, I'm feeling this because of that. Oh, how interesting. And already in the how interesting is the separation there. I see. Well, isn't that fun that there can be enjoyment of it too. Oh, I see. I'm furious at them because I'm thinking this. Oh, how fascinating that is. And that's the thing that I thought that Marshall got to, that Marshall helped me get to.